Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to cut out your picture in shapes on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then select a picture from your gallery. After that, slide to the right side of the screen till you find the cutout option. So tap on it, and here you can find a bunch of categories down below, such as athletic hue, soulspiration, the flashback, and so on. So click on the relevant category, and after that find the relevant one that you want to use, and then position your picture to the right place, and then you will be able to cut out your picture. As you can see, you have many options that you can choose from, so feel free to try them out. And after selecting the relevant one, tap on the apply button at the top of the screen, and here you can find or see your result. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.